Westermans here with a Baileigh CNC plasma quick function test, fitted with a GYS 70 plasma. It's actually a water bed. The model of the plasma is the PT-22 2018. There is an actual dongle with the machine. The dongle itself, I assume, is possibly got the software on. This is just a test pattern that's inside. Machine is a nice little small workshop machine, single phase, but the plasma itself is 3-phase. Again, that could be changed if required for a smaller machine. More details can be found on westermans.com or email welding@westermans for further details. Thank you for looking.